Hey everybody, thank you for clicking on this video. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and like the video. So normally what I do on this channel is I take an electronic project from an old magazine, I bring it to life. However, this one's just a little bit different. It's a little shorter too. It's an in-between project video. I just wanted to show people out there, and I'm sure a lot of people know this because I think my audience is a little bit on the older side. However, I'm going to show you how to find a substitute for a transistor, or a substitute, right? So, and I use this ECG book. It's from Philips. I don't know the year. It's probably somewhere here. I can't see it. Costs $4.95. In any event, it's a Philips book. There's an equivalent book from NTE, right? So the NTE cross-reference, believe they're one for one. So if it's an ECG 123, it'll probably be an NTE 123. Anyway, so the point of this video is to show you how I would find an old transistor that they don't make anymore, right? So take this one, for example, for this project. It's BC640. BC640. So, for me to buy a BC640, the exact transistor would, be pointless, right? Because there's substitutes that will suffice. So what I do is I open up the ECG book and I go and find BCY640. And there it is right there. So the substitute for that is 383. So I could use an ECG 383. And if I wanted to find out more information on that transistor, I can get that from this book. It not only finds the substitute for you, it'll give you information. And I'll quickly find that page. Okay, so in the front of the book, if you look for ECG 383, it's right here. So kind of high level, what the transistor is, PNP, and it's used most commonly for audio frequency driver, an amplifier kind of thing. Silicon. And if I want to find a little bit more info, I can also turn to this page here. There it is. And it can give me more details, right? So it gives you, some of the high-level specs, right? So if you want to compare that transistor to another transistor, well, there you go. I remember one time I was looking for a Darlington transistor, one that I had in stock. And I didn't have a lot, but I was using these quick references, the specs, and I found the substitute that would work, and it did. So I was really happy about that. In any event, so this book is really, really useful because for me, I've got transistors in here. So as you can see, I've got quite a few of them. And in fact, I'm not even really done. I ended at the ECG 400 series. I actually have more up here that I still have to sort out, and a whole bunch of other places too. So I'm going to have more transistors eventually. And that's my little system there, how I keep everything organized. So it turns out that I do have an ECG 383. And you can see it right there. So I would take the transistor out, and then I would add it to my project bag and start collecting the other parts. So that's how I find substitute transistors for a project. If you haven't already seen some of my other videos, please check them out. I would really appreciate it. And thank you for watching, and bye for now.